This video will tell you more about BSI and what we do, and provide an insight into how millions of lives benefit from our work. I'm delighted to welcome you to the global family of BSI.
Hello, my name is Zhang. I represent the staff of BSI China, where BSI Group has a major presence. Everything we do at BSI is based on standards. Standards help to make life more efficient, easier, fairer, and safer. They are written by experts to show the best way of how to do or make something and are a blueprint for excellence. BSI's people create standards through a process of consensus, and thereafter they are regularly updated. This way, standards always capture best practice and form a roadmap for continuous improvement. When people use them, they will always act in the right way to achieve the best result. There are over 27,000 published standards, so they touch our world in a huge number of ways. They ensure that things fit together, that bank cards fit cash machines worldwide, and that mobile phone SIM cards will fit into any make of phone. They show people how to do or make something in the best way, like the standards on managing quality performance or the standards on constructing a timber frame building. And they make services and products safer, like the standards on playgrounds for children or the standards for safety helmets, which unquestionably save lives. And standards help BSI's 80,000 customers around the world to improve their businesses. Whether customers want to understand broadband signaling protocol or to ensure the continuity of their supply chain, there is a standard that shows the best way to do this. At BSI, you will be part of ensuring that customers get the right standards and that they get the most out of using standards. A really important area for standards is sustainability, and at BSI, we lead the world in producing standards to keep the world green. These give our customers the tools to make progress towards being more sustainable, to help them improve their environmental performance, and to act more responsibly. BSI itself is interested in helping to build a sustainable world. So, some major parts of our organization are already carbon neutral, and we're working towards becoming carbon neutral across the whole company. So the people at BSI who work on sustainability standards make an impact on promoting global sustainability and helping to safeguard all of our futures.
Olá, I'm Fernando and I represent all of BSI working in South America. I'm in an aircraft maintenance hangar because building and maintaining aircraft is an area where people need many standards. Safety is the highest priority, and people who work here need the best and the most up-to-date information to eliminate any risk. One of the most important areas for a standard then is risk. Risk standards protect people and organizations. For instance, we have fire safety standards for smoke alarms, emergency lighting, fire extinguisher, fire doors, sprinkler systems, and even emergency voice communication systems, and how to design buildings and ships with the right fire escape provisions. And there are several thousand other standards which define how things can be made so they are safe and fit for purpose. That means everything you can think of, from buildings that won't fall down to making electrical appliances safe. And our customers want other kinds of risk standards too. These cover the risks to companies when they are doing business. Risks of things like severe weather or the flu pandemic, which breaks the continuity of the business. The risks of mishandling data and the risks to employees of accidents at work. We have standards to help manage those risks too. In fact, the people at BSI are leading the world in developing this kind of risk standards. We wrote a standard for managing information which quickly became an established global success. And we produced the world's first standard for managing business continuity. Within the first 2 years of its release, it was adopted in 72 countries. Making the world safer is one of the most important things we do at BSI.